It's the place where my heart lies, and no matter where I go, I'm always glad to get home to it.
Small enough not to be lost in, and big enough to be still part of a community of people that you know.
Such a vibrancy about the people.
For me, it means home and all the things that I grew up with, which I really, really miss in living in Chicago.
On a sunny day, there's nowhere better in the world to be.
It's where I was born, reared, went to school, got married, raised my children, and I'm still here and still loving it even more at the present time.
Lovely place, a lovely town and lovely people.